Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we want to talk about fruit and vegetables export and import. And you may wonder why. Well, the question is very simple. I mean, we see a lot of demand about this sector. We see a lot of companies using WhatsApp to trade, fruit and vegetables, from one place to the other, from one country to the next one. And as you can imagine, fruit and vegetables is a huge industry. I mean, here we can see that is around 300 plus billions worldwide. I mean, it's a huge industry sector, and it's very important for every human being. I mean, you need to have your fruit and vegetables every day, and we want to have fresh, good, vegetables in our table. So this is something important. This is a sector we love. This is a sector we really want to help. And the countries where there is more activity normally is China, India, USA. Those are the three top contenders. Then if you go into specific products, like I don't know, avocados is Mexico, bananas is Ecuador, onions is China. So it depends of the specific product. You may have a specific country doing more on that specific product, but other than that, it's a global industry. Everyone is moving products from India to UAE, Mexico to the States, Africa to Europe. So it's a global community. WhatsApp plays an important role, and we want to show you what you can do, how we can help you. Basically, what we can do for you, if you are an exporter, if you are a company who sells products, is to get the best leads into your pipeline. No, I mean, we can have a form like this one, something where the customer is going to give you the personal information, the phone number, and you can ask what you want, like vegetables, exotic products. I mean, it's very common to have dehydrated products, so that's something that you may ask the same. And then you can ask questions about when you need the shipment. Let's say I need this shipment by the end of the month, and when you need the quote, and you may say Tuesday. So this is a qualified lead. This is someone with real interest in what you are doing, and you're going to have a nice lead into your pipeline. If we go to the leads, we are going to see the information. We are going to see, we understand when this quote is needed, when they need the shipment. Then we can ask, a note. We can add a price, for this client. This is something we can work on to get the best information out of this client. Of course, I mean, we can create as many and completely different widgets with different questions for different types of companies, type of products, type of anything. Also, I mean, this is something that is something new. You can create a marketplace using our tool. The marketplace is, let's say, is a collection of companies serving fruit and vegetables. And this is an example we just create with different companies, doing different types of businesses. So you can check and you can compare and you can see who is who, and you can contact this company. Later you can contact this other company. You can make a WhatsApp group and you can send your quotes. I mean, this is for you to explore, to understand, to discover new companies doing export import with fruit and vegetables. And if you are a buyer, you have plenty of suppliers. If you are a supplier, you have a super nice tool to get qualified leads into your pipeline. I mean, you don't want your sales team to waste time chasing customers that don't have a real interest, chasing customers who don't give you a specific and relevant information. We think it's as important to have leads, to have quality leads. If you don't have quality leads, then there is nothing much you can do. Just to give you another example, let's go here. For example, we have this widget. This widget has a form. This form is basic, name, email, WhatsApp number, that's it. But we can add extra questions, like for example, how many tons of bananas do you need? And we can put here, we can say 1 ton, the price is 100, 2 tons, we can say it's 200, and then from 3 tons to 5 tons, that's 500. We can say something like more than 5 tons. Okay, I mean, this is something we can do. We can add the price to the shipment. We can add the value of the lead, so we know how much we are generating. So let's say this is the form. We like it. We activate. We come here. We fill up the form. We ask for this information. We choose this option, and now we have a lead on WhatsApp. We send the lead straight to our agent. We have a lead in our CRM. If we go here, we have a lead, with the information and the quantity of bananas they need, and we have the value of the lead generated. And this is something we can add, as we go. For example, if we add another question here, we can say, where do you need it? Where do you need the shipment? We can say UAE, maybe it's 100, India, maybe it's 50, Pakistan, maybe it's 50, Africa, maybe it's 200. So this becomes to work like a calculator, because now what we can do is we can choose this one, we can choose this one, and this is going to this is going to give us the total amount for this quote. So if we go here back to the CRM, now we have a lead with the total amount, for this client. This one is 200, this one is 50, because they want a ton in India, maybe it's the cheapest. And here you have the total value of the leads generated. So I think we can help you quite a lot to get better leads, to create a cool landing page for your business, simple, easy to use, with quality questions for your customers, and your agents are going to receive quality leads, quality prospects they can work with. So that's the idea. Hope you like it. We love fruits and vegetables. We think it's an amazing sector. We want to help you as much as possible, and please create an account, contact us. We are here to help you. Thank you. Bye bye.